Hello dear students, hello dear learners. So our today's topic is prepositions of place, movement and time, unit 9. So you can see it by the photos in, inside, on, at, under, above, through, between, around, behind, in front of, up, down, opposite, next to, by side, of, out of, onto, into, over, along, across, from to, towards to, and in the direction. So, read the text and answer the questions. Lila and Olivia's bikes are in front of garage beside the house. They are now walking toward the house. They are holding something behind their backs. Oh, they are two buggies. They have two buggies of the flowers. Their mother is standing at the front of door, smiling. It is Mother Day. So we need to answer the questions. Why are the Lila's and Olivia's bikes in front of the garage? Where is the garage? You can see the right answers from here. Okay, so next one. Look and read. Write yes or no. Write yes or no. Then describe the picture. A police officer is walking across the street. Yes. He is walking around the bank. No. Two women are coming out of the bank. No. A man is going into the cafe. No. A boy is standing in front of the toy shop. Yes. A toy airplane is flying over the boy's head. Yes. Two girls are running across the street. No. Or yes. A bus is going around the corner. Yes. So you can see the right answers from here. So the next one, fill in the gaps with at, beside, in, behind, on, opposite, from, to, above, or front of. Okay, Rania is at the airport. She is waiting for her flight to Athens, from Athens to London. There is a man sitting in front of her. He has got a cap on his head. There are some sitting beside her. Sorry, he has got a cap on his head. There are some suitcases near them, in front of them. An old woman is sleeping on the seat in front of them. Uh, above Behind Rania there's a security guard. He's got a mobile phone in his hand. The information board is above him. Okay, so you can see the right answers from here. So the next one, fill in the gaps with opposite, on, inside, along, or under. So it is cold outside. I know. Let's get inside the house. Hey Jane, what are you doing? I am sitting on my bed and I am listening to music. Why is Rocky hiding under your bed? Because he's scared of the loud noises. Can you tell me how to get to the supermarket? Just walk along Main Street and take the first turning on the right. Where is the park? It is opposite my house. Okay, here's the answers. So, the next one. Circle the correct items and describe your bedroom to your partner. Hi Nikos, I am writing to tell you about my bedroom in my new house. It is just perfect. Everything is the way I want it. There is a small rag on the floor. My desk is between the bookcase and the wardrobe, and there is a computer on it. On my desk, I have got lots of books. in my bookcase because I love reading. Well, that's all for now. Come over soon and see our new house. Your friend Ahmed. So you can see the right answers from here. So the next one. Study these prepositional phrases. By car, but in my car. By air, go to work, but go on holiday. You need to just learn these phrases. Fill in the gaps with the correct preposition. Katie is on holiday in the north of the Scotland when she gets a text message from her friend Victoria. Please turn to your hotel and wait in the lobby for my next message. Your life is in danger. Katie is very scared and she decided to turn to the hotel by taxi instead of going on foot. Uh, uh, she is She is in the hotel lobby sitting on a chair when she gets Victoria's next message. Go to your room immediately. Katie walks up the stairs to her room. When she opens the door, she sees that Victoria is sitting on a chair and laughing. Surprise, I just arrived by train. She says, Happy birthday. Okay, so you can see the right answers from here. So the next one, look at the picture. I complete the email with beside, in, on, behind, next, or above. Hi Kim, how are you? Here is a picture from my sister's birthday party, as I promised. This is our living room. There is a long table beside the bowl with lots of food and drinks on it. Uh, be- so above it, there's a sign which says Happy Birthday. The two boys standing next to the table next to the table with glasses in their hands are my sister friends. The girls who are dancing in the middle of the room are our cousins, Jessie and Betty. My sister is wearing a new skirt and the party hat on her head. Can you see her? My dad is also in the picture. He is standing right behind my sister. He is holding a present in his hands. What about you? What do you do on your birthday? Right soon. So you can see also the right answers from here. Okay, so next one. Listen and repeat, then act out. I have to be in London at 6:30 in the evening. How long it does take to fly there? Just a minute. Oh, that's fast. Thank you.
Unit 9. Prepositions of place, movement, time. Page 59. Listen and repeat. Then act out.
I have to be in London at 6:30 in the evening. How long does it take to fly there?
Just a minute.
Oh, that's fast. Thank you.
Okay, we have finished it. So let's check the other prepositions of time. We use in with in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon, August, summer, years, and centuries. At 8 o'clock, at the moment, at present, noon, night, midnight, and at the weekend. On Friday, Wednesday, Thursdays, January 27th, Monday morning on cold day, and on summer night. So, fill in the gaps with at, on, or in. We usually go on holiday in July. It is cold in winter. So, I always have a nap in the afternoon. In the afternoon, my birthday is on October 2nd. She usually sleeps late at night. Yus's party is at 4 o'clock on Friday. It is hot in summer. He never wakes up late in the morning. I have got computer glasses at noon. We usually don't go out on Mondays. It's windy in autumn. Her birthday is on August 2nd. So here you can see the right answers too. So the next one. Write at, on, or in. So Peter likes spending time with his family at the weekend. Uh, on Saturday mornings, Peter and his sister go for a walk with their dog. In the afternoon, the family usually go to the cinema, and then uh, then at about 8 o'clock they go to a restaurant for dinner. On Sundays they got up late. Sometimes they go for a ride on the countryside or visit their grandparents. In the evenings, they all watch TV and then they go to bed. Weekends are really special for Peter and his family. So you can see also the right answers from here. So the next exercise. So fill in the gaps with at, on, or in. My favorite season in the summer is the summer because the weather is warm and there is so much you can do. School finishes in June, so I can go to bed late at nights and wake up at around 10 o'clock in the mornings. On weekdays, I usually play video games with my brother, and in the afternoons, I meet my friends at the park near my house. We play football there and we enjoy the beautiful view. In the evenings, I take my dog out for a walk, and then my family and I watch DVDs. Weekends are always fun, in the summer too. On Saturdays, I always go to the beach with my family, and on Sundays, I visit my grandparents and spend the day with them. Summers are just perfect. So you can see the right answers from here. Okay, that was our last exercise. See you on the next videos.